Good morning everyone, Jorn here with another pre-London session video. Today is November, the 2nd of November. The time of this recording is 24 minutes after 7 a.m. UK time. Okay, let's go straight into it, but first I would like to highlight that this is not financial advice. This is just the way that I see the markets and that I would like to share with all of you. Okay, yesterday, let's go. Let's go straight to the charts and let's have a look at the dollar index, because yesterday I did mention, and you can read it here, I did mention that during London I was expecting price to clear this liquidity, the Friday high, which we did. We cleared this liquidity, and then I was expecting lower price action into this mitigation candle. Look where we stopped yesterday. Yesterday at around 8 p.m. we stopped trading in this area, so we stopped selling off, we stopped trading in this around this mitigation candle. Asian opened even higher, but what we see now, what we did see is during the Asian session is that we did run lower, even deeper into this mitigation candlestick. But what I like to see, what I did like, or what I actually did not like, if now for me to buy, is the gap. Especially if you see how the gap has been respected. So from the New York close to the Asian open, we could see a gap. If I mark up the gap here, so if this is my gap, then we could see that during the Asian we traded lower. We traded straight through the gap, and then we mitigated back into the gap to then trade lower. So what I do expect now, if we are bullish, then we need to see a clear break of this area. If I see a break of this area, especially this order block, because this order block has been respected by this order block. So if I see a break of this, then I'm willing to buy. Then I'm willing to buy, maybe a pullback into the gap area to then go higher. Okay, but for now I'm still very bearish. And even during London Open, we might see maybe a little push back into, maybe clear this liquidity and the wick over here, maybe clear this and then trade lower into our imbalance area that we mentioned yesterday, or even back into this order block. And then I would like to see price having, by New York session, New York Open, having reached this area, and then I will be very confident to buy dollar, if so. Okay, Euro USD, and let's go to Euro USD. Yesterday I said that I wanted to see Euro USD to break this low. It did not happen. We traded back into this wick and then traded higher. When I, at around 12 or 1 p.m, when I saw this price action, then I knew that we wouldn't break this low anymore. So then I placed a buy limit, and this buy limit is also a trade that I shared in the Discord, to then go for our take profit 1 and take profit 2 is still on the play. Unfortunately, our entry did not get triggered by I think, what is it, 6 pips indeed. Entry did not trigger by 6 pips, but yeah, we managed to hit our take profit 1 already. I still believe the take profit 2 is on the table, because I believe that we will see lower prices on dollar, remember. Okay, Jorne, what do you think for EURUSD during London? What I do believe now is that we might see maybe a spike down. We do see some Asian liquidity over here. So I do believe that we might see maybe a spike down, clear this liquidity, maybe even trading back into this order block. But I don't think we will get that deep, but just maybe trading below these lows and then trade to our take profit 2 area. And as you can see this mark already, this is our imbalance area. In this area I will be more than happy to look for sell opportunities. I'm not gonna place any limit. I need to see first DXY reaching one of my areas. When I see DXY reaching one of my areas, then I will automatically go to Euro USD. Okay, GBPUSD. As I said yesterday, I'm not willing to buy GBPUSD just for the fact that GBP is weaker as Euro. And we could see that people that bought Euro GBPUSD, they got wrecked. Are you not willing to buy GBP at all? Probably not. Only if we maybe manage to trade back into this order block, and this is even a sell opportunity that we might see here, is that we trade back into this order block. Stop should not be above this. Trading back into our order block. But what I don't like is risk to reward. Yeah, I always like to trade at least a 1 to 3 risk to reward. If I place this trade, it's not a 1 to 3 risk to reward, and so this is a 1 to 2.6. Yeah, if I wanted 1.3, then I have to lower my stop loss, yeah, which is a bit more tricky because the high is here. Yeah, this high is here, but this is something that I see and that can perfectly play out. Spike higher to then trade lower. Once we are here, then we might see some bullish relief on GBPUSD. Same way that we might see happening on EURUSD, but as I said, Euro is quite strong, so I do believe that we might see some little sell-off and then actually trade higher. So it's a bit double, but I just prefer not to take any risk. If I'm willing to sell or buy USD, then I prefer to sell GBPUSD. If I'm bullish, yeah, so don't get me wrong, if I'm bearish dollar, I will be more than happy to buy EURUSD. But if I'm bullish dollar, then I will be more than happy to sell GBPUSD. Hope that's clear. And yeah, just for the facts, remember guys, around the 26th of October, I did mention that this area was a key area for me, and when we managed to break, I would like to see price trading back into this bullish order block, which exactly happened, and then we could see higher prices. Higher prices on Euro GBP means strong Euro, weak GBP. Okay, just go back one more time into the DXY chart. As I said, what I do believe now is maybe some little relief during London, maybe trading right above this, but I don't think we will manage to break this high. If we manage to break this high, then we are bullish. Okay, if we fail to break this high, and if we fail to break this high and we trade lower, then I would like to see lower prices on dollar back into our imbalance area and order block. Everything for Euro USD, everything for GBP USD has been explained. Okay, so yeah, let's see how things will play out. Anyway, well, whatever happens, I will update you guys in the Discord. If I do see a trade opportunity, or if I'm confident entering a trade, I will be more than happy to share the trade with all of you guys in the Discord. If any questions, please let me know. We see each other in Discord, and if not, we see each other tomorrow for another pre-London session video. Okay, have a great rest of your day, enjoy your trading, and yeah, we see each other soon. Have a good one. Bye bye.